Hello and happy Earth Day. We are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom to celebrate. They have a lot going on, like meeting Jiminy Cricket, Miss Bunny and Thumper. They also have specialty cupcakes, so I'm really excited. Let's go on an adventure. Alright, here we are, Disney's Animal Kingdom for their Party for the Planet for Earth Day. It's a beautiful day out today. They have some Festival of the Lion King characters out this morning. And this penguin is made of all the things that they found in the ocean. So it's all stuff that was improperly discarded. You can see a bunch of stuff like coolers, flip-flops. It's actually a little bit creepy from this angle. By the penguin, they're giving out little activity packets and reusable bags for their new Disney Penguins movie. Conservation! Woohoo! We're now gonna get in line to meet Jiminy Cricket. Oh, I'm so excited. He's only out for Earth Day. He's meeting where Pocahontas used to meet, so he's in a secluded area. I love how pretty Animal Kingdom is. We're about to meet Jiminy Cricket. I couldn't tell you how long I waited because I forgot to look at the time, but yay! Hi, thank you. Happy Earth Day, Jiminy. How are you? Now that was awesome. Always have to see Jiminy Cricket on Earth Day. So I think you can buy these little fairy houses. They're super cute. Hello, they're so pretty. Also, you can meet Joe Rohde today. You do have to have a ticket to go meet him. Ooh, his artwork's really cool this year. Now we're gonna go and try to find Divine. Spring flowers all over her, which is not what she usually has. She really is pretty. All those spring flowers. I think she should always look like this. Happy Earth Day, Divine. We are now hopping in line for Thumper and Miss Bunny. They're only out today. Miss Bunny and Thumper meet by Rainforest Cafe. Hi, can you take it on my phone? Thank you. Hi, happy Earth Day. Happy Earth Day! That was awesome. They were so cute. I wish they were out more often, but it's okay. And now we're off because we have a fast pass for Up a Great Bird Adventure to go see my friends Doug and Russell. Alright, we're coming up on Up a Great Bird Adventure. And here's my favorite part of the area, Doug and Russell statues. Look how cute they look. Let's get a better look of the area. Super colorful, super fun. I think the cast members are warming up the birds. I don't think they're doing what she wants them to do. But she's over there screaming, yelling, trying to get them to come over. They're just not having it. Well, it looks like they got the birds to do what they wanted because we're in.
To Up a Great Bird Adventure. Remember, an explorer is a friend to all.
Adventurers and explorers, hello! And namaste.
Look! You made it, boy! Thanks to our Wilderness Explorer Compass, we're here! We're really here! Wait, where is here?
Oh, you're in another poor area. Who are you?
My name is Russell, and I am a Wilderness Explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Oh, gosh, Russell. Oh, and who is your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy! Speak, boy!
Hi there.
Did he just say...
Hi there. My name is Doug.
Oh my! You can talk. Oh, I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too, dog.
We found you!
Hey, you found me. Was I lost?
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you. Oh, yes, I can, because squirrel!
Now we're ready to have a new bird adventure.
Well, you're in the right place.
Hey! Are they wilderness explorers too?
I bet they are explorers and adventurers.
Then they should know our pledge. Oh, please, 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 can I lead it now?
Yeah, sure.
Explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to
Be
all.
it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Oh, wonderful job.
Has anyone here ever been on a great bird adventure before?
We did. With our bird friend, Kevin.
Does he talk like people too?
Oh, no. The bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
She is baby birdies. Oh, yes, she does.
What does Kevin look like?
I'll show you.
Oh, so that's a Kevin bird.
Yep, Kevin has long legs,
She can run very fast,
very fast, and she's colorful.
loud, and big.
Kevin is the reason we love birds so much.
That's great. Well, Kevin was just the beginning.
Explorers, do you want to see more birds that call this place home?
Yeah.
Now, I don't have any flying insects, but I have a grape. Watch this. Yay! So cool. And that, my friends, is why there are no flying grapes in the forests of Africa.
Here, Snipe. Here, Snipe.
Guys, right over here.
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Point.
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Oh, yeah, he does. This guy is a crowned hornbill from Africa. Look at these guys.
Guinea fowl. We have herons, vultures, eagles, owls, and of course, chickens.
Hello there.
Chickens.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies.
Parrots.
They grow on you.
But they can be one of the most challenging pets you can have in the home.
Yeah, they can bite.
Scream.
And they poop everywhere. Some of these birds are so smart. They can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like Groucho.
Groucho is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot. Can you say hello?
Hello. I love this funny parrot.
Groucho has lived with a human family his entire life. As a result, he's learned to express his personality in some really unique ways. Groucho, what would you like to show everyone? So Groucho doesn't just know the words to Camptown races. Groucho knows 7 songs from beginning to end. Isn't that impressive? Speaking of impressive, Groucho, this audience is amazing. Let's give them a great big kiss.
A dinosaur!
Scary birdie. Scary birdie.
Oh, he's in scary, just big.
Come back!
The Andean condor.
Yeah, we call him Ozzy.
That's a big bird.
The condor trot. Tuck the wings.
Carry on.
That was Ozzy.
Remember, a wilderness explorer is a friend to all.
I like birdies.
They like you, Dad. The crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where birds
Like to do. Wow, look at him go. Check out that 5-foot wingspan and amazing landing gear. Good idea. Would either of you like to feed Frasier?
I do.
No.
He really goes gaga for bird seed.
The symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
And inspiring. You see, not long ago, the bald eagle was on the endangered species list. But then, through conservation efforts, we all played the part in helping the population to recover. And now, I'm so happy to say, the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
It is. Welcome, my friend. We're also glad to see you. I call this exquisite creature Mabille.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
A Togo toucan.
That's a cool bird.
Here. Hands up! You've got a new friend, Russell.
They like me. They really like me. Adventure is out there.
Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all its wonderful creatures all around. All we have to do is look up. Right, Russell?
That's right. Oh yeah. The wilderness must be explored.
That was awesome. Now we're gonna go get some food and the Earth Day cupcake from Restaurantosaurus. Let's go. Alright, so I got a chicken bacon sandwich with french fries and a party for the planet cupcake. I'll save that for after. It's super cute. Looks good. My mouth's gonna be green after. Pretty good. I'm gonna feel filled after this. Alright, so it's a chocolate cupcake with green icing and little pearls there. So I cut into it. It's a mess. A lot of icing, my whole knife. But we're gonna try it and see how it is. Well, that cupcake was okay. It was supposed to taste like green tea, but I didn't get any of that. But it was good if you like chocolate cupcakes. I spy Scrooge McDuck. There's the crocodile. It's not doing much. Just relaxing. Now we are headed towards the safari to do our safari fast pass. Hopefully I get to see a new baby giraffe. That'd be really cool. That is really cute. And I definitely want that. Hakuna Matata. The new Otter Grotto is open, so let's check it out. See if there's any cute little otters out here. I think they're way over there. Oh, there they are. Way down there. They also have this underground view. There they are. Look at them. Hey. Oh, yes. What good timing. Look at them all. Oh, yay. Oh my gosh, I am living. So PhotoPass over here has props you can use to take photos. And if you purchase a print today at Garden Gate Gifts, 10% goes towards the Wild Conservation Fund. Heading into Africa. Go see all those animals.
On our right, we're seeing an okapi. You'll notice those back legs look very much like zebra legs. They're actually one of the only known relatives of the giraffes. Saddle-billed storks over here on your right. Saddle-billed storks get their name from the shield-shaped saddle you'll see on their bills. They're very left, we're also seeing some bongo. Now we're lucky to see the bongo. They're known as the ghosts of the forest. Over on our left, we're seeing, just see them above the water, we're seeing a Nile hippo. A Nile hippo. The hippos do not tend to like to swim. They actually prefer walking along the bottom of the water. The nesters. The nesting groups of 20 to up to 500 pairs at a time during the incubation process, which lasts about some Nile crocodiles. We can't tell these are Maasai giraffes by the rough edges you'll see on their spots. And we'll stop right here. Just a little bit of a better view of all of these giraffes. Also known as Watusi cattle, named after the tribe that first domesticated them. I think we're getting a much better view of a couple elephants here on our left. And some baby ones back there in the corner. 4 white rhino. The white rhinos are much larger than black rhinos.
Well, a lot of the animals were asleep on that one, but it's okay. So we're already at the entrance of Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail, so we're just gonna go through and see what we have around here. These are the black and white Columbus monkeys. Aww. Oh, he's ready to go to sleep too. And now we have the okapi. Here's a turtle on the corner there. It's a spider tortoise. Right in the corner. And we have a bunch of naked mole rats. This is a pancake tortoise. Hi, buddy. Hello. There's a snake hiding in the sand there. I don't even know where he ends. That's the end. I don't know where the front is. A boa constrictor. Sort of beetle. And oh, there's the beetle. He's actually really pretty. Okay. Ornate spiny-tailed lizard. He looks cool. We are back outside in the aviary. More birds. It's a bird sort of day, I guess. Good place to relax in here if it's not busy. They've got all their nests up there. But baby birds! Oh my gosh, he's sticking his head out. I don't know if you can see it. He's just chilling there. Oh my god, that's so cute. Aw, look at those zebras. There they are, just behind the rock. And then more zebras. Oh, there's little babies. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh my god. I can't. Now we got our gorillas. There's those Columbus monkeys. Oh, there's a tiny baby. Oh gosh, look how cute he is. So that's what we just did. I didn't get a video of it before because they exited us kind of right at the beginning of it, so I didn't want to go all the way back. Now we're off to do the Maharaja Jungle Trek, and then I think I'm going to call it a day. Oh, that I didn't know. You download the Disney Play app, I guess you can learn some more. Here he is. He's on that log over there. I thought it was just part of the log. Somebody was taking photos. I didn't even know what they were taking a photo of, but it's a Komodo dragon. Hey, me buddy, I don't even know if you can see that because it's so shady. But he's sleeping. We got some water buffalo. Seem pretty happy. That's really neat. Alright, more birds. Those are some huge nests. Oh, he's pretty big. Well, that's gonna be it for me here at Animal Kingdom. I hope you had a great Earth Day. Just remember to reduce, reuse, recycle, and let's save our planet. Oh, hold on. That's kind of moving. Simon, you're going across the road. That's a good send-off. That's a good way to end it. So again, remember to subscribe and like our channel. Post any fun animal stories in the comments below. Well, have a good day.